Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about how to start decorating a room. Whether you are moving into a new space or looking to give your current room a fresh new look, these tips will help you get started on the right foot. So let's jump right in. The first step in decorating a room is to assess the space. Take a good look at the room and consider its size, layout, and architectural features. Take note of any existing furniture or fixtures that you plan to keep, as well as any limitations or challenges you may need to work around. Next, it's time to determine your personal style. This is an important step because it will guide your choices and ensure a cohesive look in the room. Explore different design styles such as modern, traditional, farmhouse, or bohemian and identify which resonates with you the most. Look for inspiration online in magazines or on social media platforms like Pinterest to help you visualize your ideal room. Before diving into the world of decor, it's crucial to set a budget. Determine how much you are willing to spend on furniture, accessories, and any necessary renovations. This will help you prioritize your expenses and make informed decisions throughout the decorating process. Now it's time to start with the basics. Begin by choosing a color scheme for the room. Consider the mood and ambience you want to create. Neutral tones like whites, grays, or beige offer versatility and a timeless appeal. If you prefer a more vibrant and bold look, opt for colors that reflect your personal style. Remember, the color scheme will set the foundation for the rest of your decor choices. Once you have your color scheme in mind, it's time to select furniture that fits both your style and the room's functionality. Start with the essential pieces like a sofa, bed, or dining table, depending on the room you are decorating. Consider the scale and proportion of the furniture in relation to the room size. If you have a smaller space, choose furniture with a more streamlined design to maximize the available space. To make the room feel more inviting and cozy, add layers and textures. This can be achieved through the use of throw pillows, blankets, rugs, curtains, and wall art. Experiment with different textures like knitted fabrics, velvet, or natural materials such as jute or rattan. These elements will add depth and visual interest to the room. Lighting plays a crucial role in creating the right ambience in a room. Consider a mix of ambient, task, and accent lighting. Install overhead lighting fixtures for general illumination. Add table lamps or floor lamps for task lighting and incorporate decorative lighting such as string lights or wall sconces for accent lighting. Dimmers can also be a great addition, allowing you to adjust the brightness according to the desired mood. Lastly, add the finishing touches that personalize the space and make it truly yours. Display artwork, photographs, or sentimental objects that hold meaning to you. Incorporate indoor plants or fresh flowers to bring life and freshness into the room. Don't be afraid to experiment and let your personality shine through these final details. Congratulations! You have learned how to start decorating a room. By assessing the space, determining your style, setting a budget, and carefully selecting furniture and accessories, you are well on your way to creating a beautiful and inviting space. Remember to take your time, enjoy the process, and let your creativity guide you. Thanks for watching and be sure.